Hi everyone. If you're tired of the same old fish dishes and ready to add a little excitement to your kitchen, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook trout. But not just any trout. We're going teppanyaki style, baby. First things first, let's talk about our star of the show, fresh trout fillets. Make sure they're as fresh as your last date night outfit. Now, grab those trout fillets and channel your inner ninja chef because we're slicing them into inch-wide strips. Remember, precision is key, but don't stress if they're not perfect. It's teppanyaki, not rocket science. Now let's spice things up a bit. Season those trout strips with a flirty sprinkle of salt, a daring dash of pepper, and a generous helping of minced garlic. Because let's face it, garlic makes everything better. Now heat up that teppan or iron griddle for those who don't speak chef over medium-high heat. It's about to get hot in here, so keep your cool. Toss some garlic, butter, and those colorful veggies onto the griddle. We're talking bell peppers, onions, zucchini, the more the merrier. Sauté them until they're tender crisp, like a perfect al dente pasta. Next, add a little more butter to the griddle because, well, butter is life. Place your seasoned trout fillets on the hot surface. Listen to that sizzle. It's the sound of deliciousness in the making. Grill each side for a few minutes until it's cooked through, turning them gently. You want them golden and gorgeous, just like a sunset. While those are cooking, let's jazz up our veggies. Season them with some soy sauce and a squeeze of lemon juice for that tangy kick. Then scooch them to the side to keep warm. We wouldn't want them to catch a cold, now would we? And now, for the grand finale. Serve that beautifully grilled trout on a bed of those sautéed veggies. Drizzle the remaining buttery garlicky sauce over the top, because we're all about that sauce. Garnish with some fresh herbs or a sprinkle of sesame seeds if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it, folks. A trout teppanyaki dish that's as fun to cook as it is to eat. Remember, teppanyaki is all about the showmanship, so feel free to toss those veggies with flair and flip that trout like you're performing at the Culinary Olympics. Oh, and before you go, let's clear up a common confusion. Hibachi involves cooking on an open grate with charcoal or gas for heat, while teppanyaki uses a solid iron griddle. Both are fab, but today, it's all about that smooth, sizzling teppan. So grab your spatula, and let's make every meal a performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious #PhoebeChef magic adventures. Until next time, keep your plates hot and your spices hotter. Cheers!